Good morning students. In previous class we learnt about simple movements and actions and force. In today's class we learn about effect of forces. Let us see some important keywords from this topic. Motion, speed, shape, direction. Before going to this topic, I ask you some questions. How do we open the door? Yes, by pushing or pulling. Next, what is push and pull? Yes, push and pull are known as forces. Children, now I will apply force on things and find what happens to a thing when I apply force on it. Listen children, what is this? Yes, ball. Now I push this ball. The ball is moving. Now I hit the ball on the other side with a book. Now the ball moves in opposite direction. From this, we can understand force can change the direction. Children, what is this? This is a toy car. Now the toy car moves slowly. When I push behind the toy car, the speed of the toy car increases and it moves fast. From this we can understand force can change the speed. Children, now I push the ball. Now I hold the book in front of the ball. What happened? The ball stopped moving. From this we can understand force can stop a moving object. Children, what is this? Yes, water bottle. Now I squeeze this bottle. What happened to the bottle? Yes, the shape and size of the bottle is changed. The shape and size of the bottle is changed. From this we can understand force can change the shape. Children, now I give you a model reading. Effect of forces. Energy is needed to apply force. Force helps us to do the following things. Force can change the direction. Force can change the speed. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the shape. Force changes direction. Children, look at this picture. Here in the picture, a boy hits the shuttlecock and it reaches the other boy. He hits it again with the racket to move it to the opposite direction. Force changes motion. The cycle moves forward because force is applied on the cycle by pedaling. When we stop pedaling, the force is removed and the cycle stops and comes to rest. Some applications of force in everyday life. Opening the door, pulling rope in tug of war, pulling rope from well. Force can change the speed. Force can change the speed of your body which is already in motion by providing more force on it. Ram and his brother are playing with a toy car. Ram tries to move the toy car and his brother stops it from the opposite direction to slow down the toy car. Thus, force changes the speed of an object. Force can stop a moving object. An object stops moving when we apply force in the opposite direction. Have you played football game? How will you stop the ball? The goalkeeper applies force and stops the ball. Next, force can change the shape. When an inflated balloon or water balloon is pressed, some force is applied on both sides of the balloon. Thus, it changes its shape. While squeezing a plastic water bottle, force is applied on all sides of the bottle. Thus, the shape and size of the bottle is changed. Do you know? Less force is required in pulling than in pushing, so it is easy to pull than push an object. Children, now what do you understand from this topic? Effect of forces. Force can change the direction. Force can change the speed. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the shape. Children, shall I ask some questions? Force changes the dash and dash. Yes, force changes the speed and direction. Children, what are the effects of forces? Yes, force can change the shape, direction and speed of an object. It can stop a moving object. Children, watch this video and read the topics, then answer the questions. Thank you, children.